Hi, now I'm going to show you how to put a message box in a macro. Okay, we will start writing a macro or record a macro and add a message box inside. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm going to record a macro now. Record a macro, msg macro. Okay, msg macro. Okay, it's already recording. I put my message box test. Okay, this is okay, this, and it is finished. Okay, this is a simple macro. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a message box. First we will go and see whether the macro is working fine, whatever we recorded. Okay, message macro run. Okay, it is working. What we are going to, it is already recorded into the VBA code. What we are going to do is we are going to add a message box code into the already recorded code. Okay, it's very simple, nothing to worry. Okay, message macro. What we are going to do is we are going to edit. You can see the message macro is here. Yes. No need to worry about the other things, other macros which I have already written. Okay, you just see the message macro, or probably what I can do is I can delete so that you won't be confused. Okay, this is the code, it is written. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a message box. Okay, before anything is done, I put msg box. The code is msg box, that's all, and put whatever prompt you want to put. I say macro started. Okay, this is the first message. After everything finish, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say macro completed. Okay, then save, close the VBA. Now we go and run, view message, msg macro, run. You see message box, macro started. Now the macro started, I just click, then you see every actions done, then macro completed. Okay, this is the way you can use message box within your recorded macros. Okay, thank you.